Welcome. Today, you'll practice talking about your food, movie, music, and travel preferences. What kind of food do you like?
I like simple food with a lot of flavor.
What kind of food do you avoid?
I try to avoid food that feels too heavy or hard to digest.
What's your favorite type of meal?
I like meals that are warm, filling, and not too complicated.
How adventurous are you with food?
I'm a little adventurous, but I still prefer familiar flavors.
What makes food enjoyable for you?
Good flavor, freshness, and the right amount of spice make food enjoyable for me.
What kind of movies are you into?
I'm mostly into comedy and drama because they're easy to watch.
What makes a movie interesting to you?
A good story and realistic characters make a movie interesting to me.
What kind of shows do you usually watch?
I usually watch shows that are light, entertaining, and not too serious.
How do you choose what to watch?
I usually choose something based on my mood and how tired I am.
What kind of movies do you avoid?
I usually avoid movies that are too slow or too confusing.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to different things depending on my mood.
When do you usually listen to music?
I usually listen to music while driving, walking, or relaxing.
What kind of podcasts do you like?
I like podcasts that teach me something but still feel easy to follow.
How does music affect your mood?
Music can change my mood quickly, especially when I'm tired or stressed.
What do you listen to when you want to relax?
I usually listen to calm music or something slow and simple.
What kind of places do you like visiting?
I like places that are peaceful, scenic, and not too crowded.
How do you usually plan a trip?
I usually choose the main places first and keep the rest flexible.
What do you enjoy most about traveling?
I enjoy seeing new places and getting a break from normal routine.
What kind of trips do you prefer?
I prefer relaxed trips where I don't have to rush from place to place.
What makes a trip memorable?
Beautiful views, good food, and nice company make a trip memorable.
Nice work! Repeat these answers and use them in real conversations.